Did you know that uploading images with Multer in Node.js is not safe by default? For example, here I have a Multer function that allows uploading an image, and for this it checks if the MIME type of the file is an image. However, I can easily circumvent this by just taking any type of file and changing the file extension to a PNG or a JPEG. Now when I try to upload this file to my server, Multer thinks that this is an actual image file. Now it's stored in the file system even though this is not actually an image, which of course can be dangerous and it can make your server vulnerable to hackers. Instead you should implement a library like validateImageType that checks the actual content of the image, and this allows you to block any unwanted file types. Check out the documentation of validateImageType to find out more about this package.